So if you got a screenshot from later on in your video that you want to add to the start of your video, simply hover your mouse cursor and your line here over the clip that has the screenshot. Then we're going to select this button right here, export frame. We're going to choose the location. Great, it's going to my main folder. We're going to write, test. Going to scroll back to the start where I just laid down the arrow. I'm going to find that screenshot, drag and drop it onto the same place as the arrow. And now you can see that we're making progress. We're adding another cool little effect to the intro of our video. We're now highlighting some text that is coming later on in the video to really make people hooked and engage with the video. The same principle can be applied for any photo, any image, anything you want to add at the start. You can do it exactly like this. Now I want to make this screenshot a bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double tap. It then brings me up the corners of this piece of imagery. I'm then going to drag and drop it. I really want people to see the University of York is what I'm looking at. And if you enjoyed today's tutorial, please do check out my website with my own online course on video editing in Premiere Pro.